Namaste friends. In today's ComEdK 2020 previous year questions series, Chemical Kinetics and Thermodynamics chapter I am going to discuss. So these are only the questions are not enough for your preparation, but in my free time I am helping you for this ComEdK by solving some previous year questions. And all these are only my passion of teaching. I made these videos. So if you like this video, share to your friends and subscribe to the channel. So now, ComEdK 2020, some important questions I have taken. So an endothermic reaction is found to have positive entropy change. The reaction will be. See, here possible, not possible means spontaneous possible, non-spontaneous, not possible. The meaning is that endothermic reaction means what is delta H value? Positive. Entropy already they have given delta S value positive, right? Now use the formula delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S, right? So in this also I will show you first question so that you can take the screenshot. You can see first question and the second question is here. You can take the screenshot of that. You can try that, remember. So later I will solve that. See, these two are the third and fourth question. This is the third question, fourth question. You can take the screenshot and you can solve along with me or pause this video and solve those questions. Then once again you can see the answers, how many answers are correct like that. So these are 5, 6 and 7, 8. In the one shot you can take the screenshot. Fifth question, 6th question, 7th question and 8th question. I hope you have taken. This is the 9th question and the 10th question. 9th question and the 10th question. So in upcoming all the videos I will give some 1 minute time to take the screenshot of that. You can do that, then we can continue. Fine. Now we'll see. See, delta H positive, delta S positive, correct? So delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Now this should be negative, then the reaction is possible. So when it is possible, see, delta H is already positive, they are telling, minus from formula, delta S is positive, they are telling. So temperature is there definitely. So now when you will get the value negative, see, it is just like, remember, plus 5 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 5 means minus 2 will get, correct? Which means the reason condition for that is T delta S should be more than delta H. This value and this value should be more than delta H. T delta S more than delta H, then only this become negative. Right? So T delta S to more, what is required here? Temperature. Temperature should be more, so that T delta S will become more and more. So hence possible at high temperature should be the answer. So first question answer is A. Remember that. This is a direct question. Adiabatic change in system, the condition which is applicable. So heat does not exchange. Adiabatic system means heat becomes 0. Heat Q is equal to 0. So answer for this question is, remember, second one, option D. Third one, chemical kinetics question. See, such questions are very important. Clearly you can understand how I am solving this. Then you can also solve. See, A plus 2B give rise to products they have given. Don't worry about this 2B, 1A. This is hypothetical reaction. This is not giving rise to order. We know that. Order of the reaction is depending on the experimental condition. So experimentally you have to come to know that what should be the order. Because of that reason, remember, here we cannot tell this is order is 2 and order is 1. It is wrong concept. So hence remember in this particular case, first we will see concentration of A. I will write concentration of A is doubled, rate of reaction increases 4 times. Remember, if you are not yet downloaded my notes or the synopsis for this second PUC chemical kinetics chapter, please download. I have given the link in the description box. There I have given one particular table. Clearly you can easily tell this type of question we can solve. See, concentration of A is doubled, rate of reaction increases 4 times. Which means, remember, when A is doubled 4 times means with respect to A, that particular order should be 2. Always remember. So whenever concentration is doubled, they have not discussed about B means B kept constant. When concentration A is doubled, reaction increases, rate of reaction 4 times means 2 times increases, correct? So concentration 2 doubled and it become 4 times, so A to the power 2. It is a second order reaction. Then when concentration of B alone is doubled, rate constant, rate of reaction remains the same. So the meaning is that B independent of the concentration. Order of B independent of concentration. What is the order? Zero order reaction. Hence remember, rate expression can be given it as rate is equal to K into H to the power 2 B to the power 0. So order of this reaction becomes 2. Remember. So always remember, when concentration, and here I will time rate. See, concentration doubled, rate increases 4 times, order is, remember, 2. When concentration is doubled, rate increases 8 times, then the order is 3. Like that. When concentration is doubled, rate increases 2 times, concentration and rate same 2 times increases, then it is first order. If concentration is doubled, rate does not change, that is zero order. Remember this point. Now based on that we will solve this. See, order is 2. Answer is B. Then fourth one you will see AP plus BQ give rise to product. When P is doubled, keeping Q constant, rate increases 2 times. See, above whatever I have written, you have to see that. When P is doubled, rate increases 2 times. Order with respect to that should be 1. So P to the power 1. So rate expression can be written like this. Now you can see, when P is a constant, P kept constant, and Q is doubled, rate increases 4 times. When Q is doubled, rate increases 4 times. Order with respect to that Q should be 2. So total order is how much? Very good, 3. So 3 is the answer. So the answer for this question is C. Very simple. Such type of question is very important in COMEDK exams, remember. And CET already over. This was important there also. Fine. Now, 50% of the first order reaction is completed in 30 minutes. Velocity constant. When 50% completed means it is T half. Remember, T half. Velocity constant is equal to K. K is equal to 0.693 divided by T half is 30 minute. T half is 30 minute. Correct? So this can also be written as, remember, 69.3 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 30. 31s are 32.3, because that only 231, 231, 231, 231. Definitely 2.31 only you have to get, right? Into 10 to the power minus 2. Then what should be the answer? 0.0231. Correct? So fifth question answer is D. So within 1 minute you have to solve this question. Remember, this formula is very, very important. K is equal to 0.693 divided by T half. See that. Now, in a first order reaction, molar concentration of the reactant decreases from 0.1 to 0.01 in 100 seconds. The rate constant of the reaction is, see, here formula is, so K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into log of R naught divided by R. Correct? So now you can see 2.303 divided by T is how much? T consider 100 seconds into log of R naught is 100. Sorry, R naught they have given, see, point in initial, R naught is initial. 0.1 to 0.01 left out. So 0.01. So 0.1. 0.1 divided by 0.01. Correct? So simplification only. So 0.01, 0.1 means 0.1 ones, 0.1 tens. Log 10 is equal to 1. Remember answer, log 10 is equal to 1. So hence 2.303 by 100. How much you will get? So 2.303 divided by 100. So very simple. So 0.02303 you are going to get. Correct? So into 10 to the power minus 2 out, right? So 0.02303. So answer for this question is B. Very important question. Seventh. The rate of reaction increases with rise in temperature because of, see, when temperature is increased, rate of reaction increases. Why? See, they are not asking which all the factor affect rate of reaction or which of the factor is correct for rate of reaction increases. See, rate of reaction increases because of decrease in activation energy also. Increase in number of collisions also. But what they are asking, temperature when it increases, rate of reaction increases. What's the reason? Always remember, when temperature increases, that will increase the number of activated molecule. Remember, that will increase the number of activated molecule. Hence, remember, answer is A. Always remember, in case of the temperature, when it increases, directly it will not increase or decrease the activation energy. Whenever increase in the number of activated molecules, the collision increases. So proper orientation, collision increases, then that will decreases the activation energy, rate of reaction increases. So hence remember, temperature and rate of reaction relationship when they are asking, answer should be increase in number of activated molecule. Answer is A. Now 8th, 90% of the first order reaction is completed in 70 minutes, velocity constant. Same formula I will use it here, directly I will substitute. So 2.303 divided by time is 70 minute into 10 log of 90% means initial 100%. Don't take 90 directly. But here I have taken 0.01 directly because it is decreases from this to this, means it is the left out concentration. But here 90% completed. What is left out? 10% left out, correct? So I have to write 10 here. So 10 athwa 90 minus 100 minus 90 also you can do. That is 10. 10 ones are 10 tens are. So log 10 is equal to, once again answer is 1. So 2.303 by 70 is how much? So all these are, see, 3 2 is given, 7 3 is a 21. Correct? 7 3 is a 21. So I can write this as, if you want, I can write this as like this also. 230.3 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 70. Correct? 7 3 is a 21. So 3.29 into 10 to the power minus 2. So in this particular case, 0.0329. So answer is A. Answer is A. Simple question they will ask in COMEDK. Just like CET level, remember that. Now, this standard molar enthalpies of formation of CaCO3, CaO and CO2 is given. This is the value. Delta H reaction for the decomposition of CaCO3 is. Decomposition water reaction will write CaCO3 give rise to CaO plus CO2. See, when they have given all these values, what is the formula? If you remember, in thermodynamics also I have given the notes in the description box. You can download it. In the all first POC part at one side, all second POC under one link I have given. You can download it. Yes. Delta H value. Delta H of reaction is equal to enthalpies of delta H of products minus enthalpies of delta H of reactants is the formula. So enthalpy of delta H of product, both enthalpy you have to add, CaO and CO2 you have to add. CaO is how much? Minus 635. So minus 635 I will take 0.09, I will leave it. Minus, because it is also minus only, minus plus of minus you can write, minus 393.50 whole minus delta H of this is minus 1206. Because option having some more difference in the answer, hence you can easily tell, no problem. See, minus 600 I will take, minus 400 I will take. So minus 1000 I will take almost. Minus 1000, minus of minus plus 1200. Definitely answer is plus 200. Correct? So plus 200 you are going to get. Plus 200 means 178 is the answer. So plus 178.3 is the answer. So answer for this question is A. But very important, this formula. Whenever the reaction is given, delta H of R, delta H of product, summation of delta H of product and minus reactant. Which of the following is intensive property? Intensive property means what? Intensive property, remember, independent of quantity of matter. So quantity of matter present in the system. How to remember? Intensive, start with IN, so independent. Extensive, dependent on. See, only two options we have, intensive and extensive. So generally depend on matter, does not depend on matter, that will confuse us. To remember that, what we will do? Intensive, independent, intensive, independent. So it is easy to remember, independent quantity of matter. So the answer for this question is, remember, enthalpy, entropy, mass is dependent on the matter. Density is the only one which is independent of the matter. So the answer for this question is C. So this completes 10 questions of COMEDK previous year questions on chemical kinetics and thermodynamics chapter. Next video I will come up with another important chapter. So till then, thank you. Have a nice day.